Errol's Garden by Gillian Hibbs. This is a wonderful little story about a boy who loves gardening. He really loves gardening. The trouble is he lives in an apartment block and he's got no garden. And so he has as many indoor plants as he can, but he's desperate for a garden. So he tries everything he can, look at that. And he does very well. But he thinks about it, what can he do? And then one day he's in the lift. He's in the lift and he notices a top floor. He's never seen that before. What on earth's up there? So he presses that button and up he goes and discovers a roof. Here we go. This is where he's going to have his garden. He talks to his dad about it. They look up things online. He talks to all the neighbours. Would they support him? Would they help? And they were all as excited as he was at the prospect of this roof terrace. So the planning began. It's a great story, a really lovely story.